The next horoscope belongs to Ahmas Reis, born on 13th of March 1953 at Beirut, Lebanon at 1 a.m. The horoscope is of Sagittarius ascendant, with Moon and Rahu in the second house, Sun in the third, Mercury in the fourth, Venus, Jupiter and Mars in the fifth, Ketu in the eighth, and Saturn exalted, Saturn in the 11th house. The horoscope is excellent horoscope because it shows that the person is very considerate for others. He can do anything he's a very good person, and he can do anything for the other person if he demands anything. He can give away anything of his own. He has no that way consideration for any costly thing or his time. He can work and give, is ready to help in any manner he can. And also it indicates that he will be good, wealthy person. He will have good finances. But simultaneously it indicates that there is a slight there was a slight break in education. His wife should be very smart, and she is very lucky for him, and she should be very active also. She can be maybe working for him if he is in own business. She can definitely help him in business. He will have good, obedient children, and they will be very good in education, and also they will be doing much as good as he is doing in his life. He is suggested to wear yellow sapphire and a ruby. Two stones he is suggested to wear. In yellow sapphire in the first finger in the right hand, and ruby in the ring finger in the right hand. They should be studded in gold. And he should also wear a Rudraksh. 14 faces Rudraksh. If he wears, it will be good for him, for his own, for his business. The current time that was going on for the last 1.5–2 years, that was not good for him. It was definitely very bad and must have given a kick in his business. So he should not be afraid, because the coming time from September itself, September 2009 itself is good, and 2010 is going to be an excellent year for him. He should wear yellow sapphire and ruby, and he will definitely get very positive results. The next horoscope is from Lolo, born on 25th of June 1972 at 13 hours and 1 minute. The place of birth was not given, but doesn't matter, because time of birth is fairly accurate, and the ascendant is in the mid of Virgo at 19 degrees. The other planets are in Moon in Scorpio, Jupiter in the 4th house in Sagittarius, Rahu in the 5th house, and Venus, Saturn in the 9th, Sun in the 10th, Mars, Mercury in the 11th house. As it is indicated that there was a break in education, and she got married at 23. This is very much indicated by this horoscope, and so the time of birth seems to be perfectly okay. It indicates that she has a very good balanced life and personality. She should be having a good relationship with the husband. The husband is older than her by 23 years. This is again indicated by the fact that Jupiter is the 7th lord, the lord of husband, and it is sitting in the 4th house. That indicates that the the husband is like a guru, like a preacher, a teacher. So he is older and he keeps saying do this, do that, and he keeps giving sermons. So she has to bear with it, or she has to listen to him carefully, and he is definitely very soft and bold simultaneously. He takes care of her very well, and the children are going to be excellent, because Rahu in the 5th house gives, first of all, many children. Like she has 2 sons and 1 daughter. So Rahu gives that kind of children, and she has a good time in store right now also, and in near future also. The time is good. She should wear moonstone or studded in silver. That's one thing. And then other stone that she should wear is emerald studded in gold. That should be worn in the little finger of left hand, whereas the moonstone should be worn in silver in the right hand. Then the next horoscope is for Ali. He wants a time rectification. He is born between 4 and 7 p.m. Within this time, there are 2 ascendants. One is Scorpio, then other is Sagittarius, and then also Capricorn. But as he has been having a health problem from the beginning, it seems that there has to be many planets in the 8th house, and with Sagittarius ascendant, there happens to be 5 planets: Moon, Sun, Saturn, Venus, and Mercury in the 8th house, Jupiter in the 6th house, Ketu, and Mars and Rahu. Only these 3 are out of the 6th and 8th house. So it indicates that this is the horoscope, and the time of birth should be more accurately 6:05 p.m. 6:05 p.m. This is because at this time Mars moves out from 9th house to 8th house, whereas Moon and Saturn, they move out to the 7th house. This is the time when the other things tally with the horoscope. So the time of birth is 6:05, and the time, the recent past has been very bad, and the recent next future from 2010 is going to be excellent for him. The 2008 and 2009 have been very, very bad.